The woman thing. And if my life could have rewind. So I'm here at work. I just go to my walkthrough and I got some free food. The tuna sandwich, some pineapple. I was gonna take some salad, but I didn't want to be greedy. I better be. I have to tear this up. Wash my hand though. I haven't seen it down in a while. A little clap. Want to put Canarsie? Oh, I thought it was on something. Wait, what? Wait, why did he do that? Train. What is wrong with this man? Why did you stopping? Oh.
This is the Rockwood Parkway bound Valley Street, Atlantic Avenue, and
Canarsie. I've been over here so long. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm hungry too. Go to the market across the streets, and then I'm gonna go to the. Oh, they got a beauty. Yes, I need a new wig. I need a new wig, short one, because I'm tired of wearing the one that I keep wearing across the street. Fisher Market. Why would they not have this open on a Sunday? They ain't fooling. Like, I know everybody cook on Sunday. But this is where I'm at in Canarsie. I'm going right there and I'm going to a market down there. I'm gonna try to visit the supply store since they have wigs in there. I mean, they do have wigs in there. Oh, there's another one right there. I should go to this one first. You know, I'm gonna go to the first. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, little birdie. I'll go to this one right here and see if they have a decent size short wig, reasonable price, because yeah, me not buy no expensive. Some are almost over. Me have long wigs, but me no want to wear because I get hot too quick. I don't have time for that. So maybe this one. Oh, they got Jamaican flavors right here. Oh, see, it's been a while since I've been over here. Got Jamaican flavors right there, and them close to like. This is where I'm going. With color. So I'll go on in here with the ear.
Hello. How much is this? Oh, 140. I don't think I've ever wear one of these. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay, got you. Okay. She's calling me a diva. Okay, what's the look at the Afro wig. That looks crazy. It's $35. Oh, no. And this bright orange one. That's a nice short little.
This is a nice one. I like this color.
Oh, that was shorter. That was nice. Like pop. Nice. The color's for me. Okay, yep.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I just found some sugar cane. Why it looks so? I don't think these are good. I have carrot already. I need pear. Too bad I don't got no EBT. Why? If I had EBT, it would have been on. Popping, man. Why I came all the way over here like they don't even have nothing? If I go inside, no, if I go inside, I'm gonna get cars. I really wanted some greens, but I wanted. Let's see. Welcome to Canarsie. I get some of these. I'll go to this fish market first. I'll get some snapper, some red snapper. This is the fish market I usually go to. Oh, they're not even open. Oh my. I think this tasty patty place is closed. Like, only Golden Cross is the smartest one. That's open on this one. Oh my god, look at this. Blue. That's $60 for that blue here. That looks nice. I would definitely wear this. I think I would wear this. I think. This one is 44. This is the length for me. Look at this. And then those are cute, but not my style. Alright, let me get something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get the patty first. I'm gonna try. Oh, alright, let's go in Dollar General real quick. I'm hungry. I need something to drink. I'm gonna get something to drink because what's this? Instant cash for phones. Oh, if I knew this, I would have bring my iPhone that I have that I'm now using. I need something to drink though. Oh, okay. Something. I need 125. I need one of these. I know it's juice, but let me get the watermelon flavor. This, yeah, watermelon, strawberry. Damn, I hope it's not a lot of sugar. Bombats. Yeah, watermelon alone. Alright, here's it. No sugar ones. Yes. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this one. That's what they have in here. Okay, how much do they have these for? $6? Oh no, $10.45. The same Walmart got this for the same price. Oh, this is what I saw in Walmart. I thought it was new. I don't think it's new. I don't know. I just never saw it before, so I thought it was new. Look at this. Korean barbecue flavor. Ooh. I'm getting one. I'm gonna try it. Oh. For $1. Wow. Didn't expect this. This is a Dollar Tree style 4 for $125. I think this will come to Dollar General more because hello. It's my groceries. A little groceries. I like the pillows. $16 for those. That's not bad. They big. I have here. I'm gonna see. $2.85. Avocado hot sauce. No cookies. Nope. Nope. I used to love these. These are my favorites. Oh my goodness. I love them. It's not sugar. Got mason jars. Like. Let me try this Haitian patty. Hopefully they have it. That's what a guy going in. So this is called
Pattie. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I bought it from here before. I think that's a Hello? Hello? Hi. Do you have the patty? How much is it? $5? Yeah, one. Yeah, one.
He ready for Labor Day. All grenade out. Alright, let me try this patty and see how it is. First of all, the service. Y'all cannot just go to. Y'all not gonna. What y'all not gonna do is keep saying Jamaican people is rude, because we're not the only ones. She was rude as all this time. Like, what's the problem? But anyway, I'm still gonna eat the patty because I'm hungry. And last time when I came here, it wasn't all that serving me. I asked me another time if I wanted one. I said one. Why you keep asking me how much I want? It was $12, by the way. We're gonna see. Alright, so it's big though. So I guess it's worth the $5. It's big. So how it tastes. Oh, that's hot. That's why that thing better. It's huge. Damn. Look at it. It's a Haitian patty, y'all. My first time trying it. Let's see how this tastes.
Gun sound on the clock. Wap 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 wap. Contract, yeah, kill it, yeah. So I mean it here top. Wap 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 wap.
Wow. Hey, people. This is banging.
I'm tasting egg. Some type of fish. I think it's like spicy saltfish.
What's good at production? You know, go hold me down. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me what to do.
Nah, this tastes good.
Won't be dressed, me no probably show.
Like, yeah.
Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind, and if my life could have rewind, without money, no gold can buy a company. No, without money, you alone confess your love to me. Yeah, without money, no gold can buy a company. No, without money, you alone. We could buy cornflakes, so when we do fry fish dance.
This is familiar. Hey. Listen, have to be that spicy, man. I am full. Oh my gosh. Still have left. Alright, so honest opinion, right? It's different. It's different. It's very different from a Jamaican beef patty. It's very different. They have their own spices and stuff in there. So I don't know why people comparing it. Because it's totally different. It's even bigger. It's real big. It was $5. And it tastes really good. Very filling. Listen. This will hold you for a couple hours. They have egg, onions. I think that's red herring I taste. Because I'm like, it tastes familiar. But I read everything that I've been there and it's very spicy. So yeah, definitely tastes good. It's my honest opinion. But heavy on the butts. You know, you cannot compare that with a Jamaican beef patty because it's not the same. I don't see why people comparing it. Everybody have their own stuff. The beef patties, so this patty is not you cannot compare it. Like, I'm a forever lover of Jamaican beef patty. Would I eat this again? I definitely will eat it again. If you eat this every time, like often, you will gain so much freaking weight. This patty that was a lot of carbs. It tastes good though. Tastes very good. Not lie. I give it a 10. I'm not even lying. It's just very spicy though. So I'm full. I can't even move. These people right here across the street from me just blasting music. Mad annoying. People walking by to covering their ears, but that shit is so loud. Like, why are you blasting music so fucking loud? Even though I was bobbing and stuff, but still, like. But yeah, but like I said too, don't ever say Jamaicans are rude, okay? When you go to their restaurant, because they're rude too. Because you could give me attitude for no freaking reason. Like, girl, I'm opening your store buying your food. I could work out if you want me to. The fuck? This is attitude for no reason. The fuck? But I understand what they say there. I understand. I get it now. When they say you go to Jamaican restaurants and they rude as hell. So, for no reason. The same thing I just experienced that. I don't think I ever went to a Jamaican restaurant. And I guess because I know I'm Jamaican, I don't know. But I never experienced that. Other people experience it, but it's like Jamaicans don't experience it. You get what I'm trying to say? Done with the chatting. That is good. Yeah. I know, I don't know what time it is, but I'm not eating no time soon. I am so full. That shit was very fun. One local market, Sam's Grocery. Oh, Sam's Grocery. Let's see if they have. Ooh, I think I need a banana, but I think I want to eat bananas again though. I don't know how I'm supposed to get it. One piece. Why one piece? Too much, man. No, see, this is why I don't come over here. What is this? Radish. Breadfruit. I have callaloo. I'm gonna go to my market. Okay, so this is. What do they have? Chippies for $3.75. I'm not buying that. Yoka. Rough tops. I got the cheese crunchies, the tigers, the Bigfoots. I have the callaloo in a can. But I have callaloo already in the can. Alright, I'm gonna get a tigers too. The chippies me not buy because it's not worth it. Like, funny about it. Not too full. Look there. Look at that. The $3.75, them brights. Bag that will full up. Check on the stuff, y'all. Anyways, I go for one tigers. I just buy one because it's in a salty sometimes. See, there's sodium to it. I just get one. Now, can I use the saltfish, you know? Look at this. It's a watermelon, but I need to go to my market. I'm gonna go after work tomorrow because I know I raise every freaking thing. Everything there is. We can't cook this. We can't bother with it. We can cook it, but we can't bother with the bone. Is it the boneless one? So basically, when we just eat and I patty just now. This was in there. It's very spicy. Put them in there. Come back. See something here I'm not talking about? Fufu. That's what they use the thing for. Oh, they fufu flower planting. Also, a different type of fufu you have? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is my favorite. Can't have it though. It's my favorite. Like, this is crazy. You get older, you gotta change your ways of eating. Can't be bothered. Can't be bothered. This is stressful. Very, very stressful. Because I need to get wheat flour. Not for that damn price. I want to the supermarket. Fuck that. Pigtail. I need to make some stew peas with some turkey neck. Ginger tea, Canarsie tea. $2.69. Oh, that sauce up leaf one. Hey.
Meringue. Organic moringa. $12. I find a thirsty one here. Let me see how much for. What's the price on this? What's the price on there? It smells, you know, it's strong.
Okay, so they have a Lasco here. Okay, let me try one Lasco. Because my cousin told me to make one. No, I want to get peanut. I'll try it. I want to do peanut because I'm going to put the raw peanut in there. So, I don't want to do peanuts. I'm going to try that. Wait there, because I'm going to use almond milk. So, it doesn't matter which one. So, I'm going to get the vanilla. If I vanilla, I should forget. I'll try the vanilla one first. I want to know how much is one of these because they're too expensive over here, you know. 22 grams of sugar. I'm not using all of this at one time, 28 grams of sugar. I'm not using all of this one time. On a big one for $6. Not even worth it, man. $6 for the pure. I like bami. I probably old in Jamaican when I eat bami. I like it. Consistency for me, I can't bother.
Yes, sir. Brick. Brick, pop, brick.
My chain right here. Ooh, child. Oh, just hit me just now. I need to go home and take a nice clean shower. Oh, I gotta run for the train. I hate running for trains. He's gonna pull off. Gotta go to the back and walk up to the front. The A is taking 16 minutes and I'm not waiting for the A. Hell no. So, I'll take the local.
The next stop is Liberty Avenue.
What's up? I'll take this. Back in East New York, out your hot. I'm not doing no cooking. I'm still from that Pattie. I am just going to I'm just just gonna drink some more green juice before I go to sleep. I'm gonna fix up my hair because I look crazy right now. Battery low. It was supposed to rain today. I'm so glad it didn't rain because I didn't bring my umbrella. And I did not feel like bringing it. So, starting on my hair. I'm using this leave-in conditioner.
We can't beat the traffic. I'm gonna say. Listen, as a liquor and drizzle, I traffic.
I'm about to snack on this. I usually eat this at work, but I want to snack right now. I'm watching too much stuff at one time. I'm watching YouTube and I'm watching Kendra. Y'all be watching Kendra? I'll be watching these Kendra stuff on on Facebook and on YouTube. This is on Instagram right now. But she just literally picking people and talking to them. So I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this. I used about 2 of them, but I only bought 1. I just had some cereal. I have my green tea up there cooling because I'm about to drink it before I go to sleep. I made some bulgur for lunch, and because I have salmon inside, so I have salmon. I cooked salmon yesterday to bring that for lunch. And I'm watching Petite Soup on YouTube. I also put up a vlog today. It says, what does it say? Today is August 28th. Yo, why my friend just saw the story I posted on Instagram, and she gonna say that don't look like no Haitian Pattie. What type of Pattie is that? And I'm like, laugh my ass off, girl. What? Because the restaurant I went into is the Haitian restaurant. And like I told y'all, the girl had a whole attitude. So listen, I don't know how Haitian Pattie look, but I went in there and I asked for a Haitian Pattie, and that's what she gave me. So for her to say for Carmel to say that don't look like a Haitian Pattie, listen, I don't know. I'm crying because that shit is hilarious. Because now I'm trying to figure out what the hell did I eat then if that's not a Haitian Pattie. I'm confused. Bro, I don't got time. And I spent $5 on that. That was $5. So it better be a damn Haitian Pattie. I don't got time. I said that don't look like a Haitian Pattie. What type of patty is that? Are you kidding me? Girl, stop playing with me. I'm not laughing, bro. I'm not laughing. What time is it? I'm trying to figure out what she's talking about. Because she's a Haitian woman, so she should know. She know. And I don't know if they have any particularly, like, you know, beef, chicken, or whatever. I don't know. Like I said, y'all go hear on the vlog. I said, can I have a Haitian Pattie? And she's looking at me like, girl, what the hell did she give me? Bro, I don't got time. That's crazy. I find that so funny. I find that shit so funny for her to say that. She said that don't look like that don't look like no Haitian Pattie. What kind of patty is that? How am I supposed to know? What you mean? How about if it's not a Haitian Pattie, Carmel? How am I supposed to know what kind of patty that is? Because I went in a Haitian restaurant and I asked for it. Bro, that shit is funny. Oh, child. And listen, bro, I cannot. Because I'm like, what patty come with an egg and red onion and onions? I mean, so she gave me something else. That's crazy. That I paid $5 for. But because I usually hear that they patty is expensive. Because I used to talk to this Haitian guy. He said, I remember talking to him one day, and he was like, "Oh, he gonna get a Haitian patty, but he's like, he don't eat it that often because that shit is expensive." I'm like, okay. I'm like, how much is it? He's like $6. Like $6. What? Why is y'all patty $6? What's so special about y'all patty that it's $6? But I see it's a very good size, but it's still not worth $6. Like I would pay $4 for that, but $5 is fine. But yeah. Hold on, let me see she right back. She said that spot is bootleg. Oh my god. See? I know what attitude and give me the wrong shit. That's crazy. Alright, she said I'm gonna go to a Haitian bakery next time. But I'm like, I went there before, so I didn't like I thought I'm irritated. Y'all, I just found some money. I just found $9. It was like this on the floor. The first thing I saw was a $5 bill. And I was like, oh, what's this? Picked it up real quick. So hopefully person will last seat and I really need it because, oops, but I was not going to walk past that. Me never did go left that on the floor. Like, what? Yeah. But I lost like money. I lost $5 like, was it last month? I just don't know where the $5 is. I don't know where it is. It's probably somewhere in my room. I misplaced it, but I know, you know when you go outside with a certain amount of money and you like, I know I didn't spend it. At first I had to be careful because I'm like, I hope it's not a trap. Because you know nowadays these people, you know, put stuff in thing. I had to open it like far from my face, and then I was like, okay, it's good. I had no type of white ointment or anything on there, so yeah, I got $9. But yeah, oh, the breeze feel cool tonight. It's 8 o'clock. I just came from Dollar Tree, try to find blueberries, but they didn't have none. So yeah, I miss Joy. Hi.
I'm gonna call you just now.
Where you going, to the store?
Yeah. I'm gonna get something to the store, but I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, what you?
Who's say make you out?
What you say?
Who's say make you out?
Oh, my hair? Oh. That's my neighbor. But yeah, I'm trying to find some money, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice cool shower. Hey guys, today's Tuesday. I'm at work. I'm about to try this Korean barbecue thingy. It smells like coffee. Wait, it smells kind of like coffee. Why does it smell like coffee? That tastes good. It's smelling like coffee. I don't like date. The date and the time. I was on break, so let's just go outside. Let's just go to Five Below and get a waist trainer because I think I want to join the gym though. I didn't join the gym yet, but I am gonna join the gym. This is how it's looking. It smells good. I really don't like I like my noodles like this. Like, you know how it's all cooked. But I don't got time to keep warming it up. Alright, so let's taste it. It's my lunch today. I don't feel like going outside to buy no Wendy's or nothing. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, I use cabbage and beef. It's good. I don't know. At first, when I opened it, it smelled like coffee. It's giving me the coffee smell. Came outside because I'm going to far below to go get a waist trainer. I need it. The other one is ripped, so it's not even holding together properly. So I'll go get another one. Oh, they got pool. Like a free pool.
I'm trying to come in Five Below. It's always some nice shirts. This one. Hot top. I like this one. These are the only ones they have. I think I'm gonna get it though first. I need it. Look at this. Nice, see? We got macaroni and cheese bunnies. That's crazy. We got Flintstones. Cocoa Pebbles. Going Walmart. They have them in here too.
Somebody found me a sugar daddy. I didn't know they had candy. What? I want a sugar daddy. Yep, I said it. I want one.
Macaroni and cheese, sunflower seeds. What the hell? That's crazy. Bacon mac and cheese. What we have right here? We have jalapeno, dill pickle, sour cream and onion. I am so late on these things because I didn't know that.
I can get some blueberries in Dollar Tree. Yes, blueberries for days. Can't really see it. Boy, I need blueberries, man. I'm getting like 4 of them. And 1 strawberry because it's more so blueberry than anything. So I came back. I was just around here in the freezer, and usually they have the almond milk right here. It's not even much, but you can still see that got more sweetened because nobody don't want the sweetened one. They want these. So I'm gonna get 3 because I'm using 1 already. I'm using 1, so I'm gonna stack up. Get 3 for now when they come back. Okay, so my cart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, baby. I'm good though. Now I'm making some curry turkey neck, but I'm imagining it's an oxtail. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Make some lunch and dinner. And it's my first time having a curry, so I'm gonna eat it with some jasmine white rice, yes, with some vegetable and plantain. So let's get to cooking. It's 8:20, so let's go. Jasmine rice with some coconut oil and Italian seasoning. The best.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So
Smells so good.
for that's in JA, we can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say? See me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp.
Oh, this is how it came out. It's Italian season, don't mind that. But yeah. My big oxtail. What's on my plantain? This plantain was going bad, so I forgot to put it on the plate. So look at me. Yeah, I'm having some lunch tomorrow too. Young cars, last.
To discuss, cause I take win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult.
Without money, no gold can buy